Hello friends, today I am bringing you an amazing innovation, a homemade air conditioner cooler. And believe me, the cooling power of this little beast is so strong that even those big expensive coolers don't stand a chance. So let's not waste any time. Let's check out how this power-packed mini AC cooler was made. Watch the video till the end. To begin with, the first thing you need is a CPU fan. A high-speed one works best. Then, I used a specially cut insulating sheet, just like the one I'm showing you right now. Cut the sheet in a circular shape of this size. The Peltier Module. Now comes the real magic, the Peltier Module. The side of the Peltier Module, with the number or printed label, that's your cool side. And the plain metal side, that's your hot side. You need to remember this while installing. Now, to fix the Peltier Module inside the sheet, using a cutter or precision knife, carefully make the cut exactly as shown. Once the hole is ready, we'll insert the Peltier Module into the sheet. To ensure proper heat transfer and a strong hold, I applied thermal paste on the module before fixing it in place. Next, we need a piece of aluminum. Make sure it's large enough to fully cover the top side of the Peltier Module. This aluminum piece will be mounted directly on top of the Peltier to help dissipate heat effectively. Assembling the cooling components. Next friends, we'll connect the CPU fan and the sheet together. Make sure to fix them tightly and securely. You have any doubts in your mind, you can ask. After that, we'll need an aluminum heatsink, and here's something important to remember. The heatsink must be attached to the cooling side of the Peltier Module. Using thermal paste will firmly attach the heatsink, just like I'm showing you step by step in this video. Follow the exact method I'm demonstrating for the best results. Once it's in place, we'll use 2 screws to secure everything tightly. This will ensure the module and heatsink are properly fixed. You need to cut out 4 pieces of a specific size from the same sheet to help build and fix the body structure of the cooler. The speaker hopes everything has been crystal clear so far and walks through each step with precision to ensure no details are missed. While finishing the body assembly, the speaker encourages viewers to like the video and subscribe to the channel. This content is truly valuable and unique. It discusses installing a 12-volt CPU that you salvaged from old electronics. You'll need to mark the area on a sheet, precisely cut it out with a cutter for a perfect fit, and then secure it with glue. There's also a friendly reminder for viewers. Please like the video and share it with friends. To prepare for the installation, you'll start by using a pencil to mark precise drilling points on the sheet. Once the markings are complete, you'll carefully drill holes using a drill machine. You've drilled holes in 3 different sections of the sheet because these openings are crucial for smooth and efficient airflow through the system, which in turn improves overall cooling performance. After the holes are ready, you'll proceed to attach the parts in place using glue. To get great results, you'll need to follow the exact method used here and take your time, doing it carefully. As you can see, the entire body is fully assembled and secured. It's compact and looks incredibly professional. You'd never guess it was handmade at home. Guys, by making this you can fully enjoy the AC, and that too at a low cost. Next, you'll need a PVC pipe. Be sure to cut it carefully and handle it properly. You'll need to use a scale to carefully mark the measurements and then cut the PVC pipe down to size. Once the pipe is cut, you'll turn it into a custom sheet. After forming the sheet, you'll mark all 4 sides bed and then trim the corners at specific angles exactly as demonstrated. This ensures everything fits together cleanly and efficiently, and you can already see how easily the cuts are coming together. If you're enjoying the real and honest content on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and support your creator. Now here's the fun part. Using either a heat gun or a lighter, you'll gently bend both sides of the sheet to give it the right shape. Make sure to bend it just enough so that it fits perfectly with the CPU cooler body. So now we've created a hole on the side of the body where it's needed. And it's time to securely fix the entire structure in place. Guys, we've made a unique mini air-conditioned cooler that you've probably never seen before. It's a mini AC that you can place anywhere and easily continue your work while staying cool. The electrical connections. We'll be doing all the wiring in a specific order, so make sure you follow along step by step, just as I am demonstrating. Guys, we've got a DC socket here, and now we easily make the connections. Just follow the same method to set up your own connections. As you can see, setup is now complete, and here's a quick important note, please don't skip any part of the video. Alright everyone, we'll secure this part using glue for a firm hold. Just to clarify, This isn't just a regular air cooler. This is actually a compact air conditioner. It's portable size so you can place it anywhere and easily carry it around. As you can see, our unit is fully assembled and ready for testing phase. So, let's move on to the testing phase. To begin, I've connected a 12 volts power socket. We'll now proceed with the wiring. Simply follow the same steps I'm showing here to make your own connections, as you can see. Here's that information. The connections have been complete, as you can see. The system has started working quite well. I hope all the points were clearly understood. I explained everything step by step in a very organized manner. Now to check the temperature, we used a digital thermometer. I fast-forwarded the video slightly. As you can observe, the temperature has gradually started to decrease. So did you see how easily we built this air conditioner cooler, to put it simply, a mini AC? I've demonstrated everything clearly throughout the video. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content. We're also active on Instagram, so make sure to follow us there too. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.